Just as students can use the principles of syllabification to read longer words, they can also use these principles to learn to spell longer words. You can teach them a procedure for this, using magnetic syllable blocks with an erasable surface that can be stuck to a magnetic whiteboard. Let's go over this procedure. First, say a word to students, such as perfection, then have them repeat it. Next, have them place a blank syllable block on the board for each spoken syllable. Third, pronounce each syllable of the word as students write the letters on each syllable block. Help your students segment the sounds in the word. Help them remember particular spelling correspondences and patterns, giving them clues as needed. Have students write the whole word and read it back. Finally, have them cover up the word and write it from memory. Watch what this process looks like in action. See how it can be used to help students learn to spell the word evaporation.
All right, so today we're going to learn how to spell some really long or multisyllabic words. Can you say multisyllabic with me? Multisyllabic. That means you have more than one syllable, right? Really long words. So I understand that in science you've learned the word evaporation. Would you say that with me? Evaporation. Let's see if we can clap it. Ready? Evaporation. So Teddy, how many syllables did we just clap? Do you know?
5.
That's a lot to remember. So what I'd like you to do, and I'll show you by doing this in Kaylee's spot, is I'd like you to write 5 lines, evaporation, right in your workspace. Okay, then you can take your marker because we're going to be spelling this multisyllabic word. What's the word, Cole, we're going to be working with?
Evaporation.
Great, okay. Everybody has 5 lines. So what is the first syllable in evaporation? We said it's E. That's right. So if that's E, what are all the different ways we know how to spell E?
E.
What's one way? E. E-I.
E-Y.
E-Y. Do you know any others?
E-A.
Yeah, E-A. Yeah, there are lots of different ways to spell the long vowels in the English language. I'll tell you that we only use one letter here, and it's going to be an open syllable. That means that that one letter will say its name. What letter, what vowel letter can say its name E? E. Please write E in that first syllable. What word are we spelling, everyone?
Evaporation.
Nice. Touch that second syllable. What's the second syllable?
Vap.
Vap. Say vap.
Vap.
Vap. Can you tap those sounds with me?
Vap.
Great. How do you think you'd spell vap?
V-A-P.
Please write that on your second line. Well done.
What's our two right and not messing up the lines?
You know what's coming up too, right? Yeah, that's right. So the word we're spelling again is evaporation. Let's touch the syllables and see if we can find out what that third syllable is. Hand up here. Ready? Evap or. Whoa, or. Do you know how to spell or?
Yeah.
O-R. You're such smart third graders. Nice job. We're spelling what word, everyone? Evaporation. Let's see if we can figure out the next one. Touch those syllables with me. Yep, on yours. Ready? Evaporate. How do you spell A?
With an A.
With an A. Because it's an open syllable, just all by itself. That's right. This is the last and tricky syllable. What's the last syllable in evaporation?
Shun.
Now, what would you think? Let's say shun for a minute. Shun. Tap those sounds. Sh. What was that first sound we tapped? Shh. So, Canyon, how would you think we would spell shh?
S-H.
You would think that's true, but I can tell you that this word is Latin. So in a Latin word, instead of spelling sh with an S-H, we use a T-I. I don't know if you knew that, but that's something good to know. So we don't spell shun with an S-H, we spell it T-I-O-N. Nice job. Please write that on that last syllable line. Well done. Okay. Great. So now let's touch underneath each of these syllables as we say that word. Go ahead. Evaporation. Nice job. Please turn to your shoulder partners and tell each other, what does evaporation mean? Because I know you've had this in your science. Well done. And now you're good multisyllabic spellers.